Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to cover service limit in OCI. So, in just simple words, service limit is uh, you know, a maximum resources which is aligned to the OCI tenancy. So, whenever the tenancy is getting created, there is a limit defined and it is default assigned to the tenancy. For example, maybe the 10 compute instance in per AD. This is just a number, but number will be bigger when you have the professional tenancy created. So these are just say example and why it is needed. Basically, it helps to control the cost or maybe also protect the OCI environment. For example, if Terraform has some level of authority and scripts which create a lot of load balancer and VCN, right? Those are mistakenly done by the user. So those are the things. Generally, it is helped to protect by service limit. Let me take to next slide. So this is a scope of limit. So where it is defined. So basically, it is three different category. Some of the things will be defined on the AD level, some of the things will be defined on the regional level, and then some of the things will be defined on the tenancy level. This slide will talk about why this is really very important for OCI administrator or architect. Just consider you are in the change request, you wanted to create a compute instance or create a volumes, or you're deploying any load balancer and you're not able to do that because that limit has exceeded, right? And your change will get failed because you don't know your limit, the consumed and the free one. So I'm going to give you a script which will give you a complete assessment of your service limit, and I will also guide you how to run it. So the script is created in Python using OCI SDK, and it is running the all subscribed region. And apart from data collection, it is also doing the assessment based on the assessment. So in my script, whatever has exceeded 80%, which will be recorded in the summary sheet. Perfect. So let me take you directly how to run the script. So just go to log into OCI Cloud, click on Cloud Cell, and I'll share the script in my link channel. So you can just take the my GitHub link, and that is here. So just go and you have a step-by-step process to run it also, and how to use. There are multiple scripts, you can use one of them, whatever is needed. Now, let me just go to Cloud Cell and let me run. So today I'm going to talk about service limit final. So just run Python and service limit and just run it. So the script is just listing. It is just calling the listing API, right? So it is just listing. It is doing nothing apart from listing those resources in the Excel sheet. Very safe script. I also tested in the prod tenancy many times and it was running very well. For personal tenancy, it will finish maybe within a minute, but when you run for customer, it will take maybe up to 3 to 5 minutes based on the overall configuration is done in the OCI tenancy. And this script is really very useful. I will show you how. So I already downloaded the script. I mean the file which is here. So you just go here and copy it and just go to download, add the file name and download. So it will get downloaded. Now, once you download that, then you have this file created and it will be looking like this: details and summary. Let me take you in summary first. So based on the assessment, what I have mentioned in the script, any resources which are actually 80% exceeded, please mark in summary, so that I don't need to go in detail and check one by one, because there are a lot of services and resources, right? So that is what the summary will be very useful. And you see at this moment here, I am just highlighting. So I have a total, it's a free account, right? So I have a 200 GB of free quota. Apart from 200, I cannot use anything or cannot create anything else. So it is giving you 194 is used. You have 6 GB left now. 97% utilized. Similar for you see for load balancer. So basically I have one flexi load balancer count, and I have also used that one. So it is giving you used 1%. It's fully utilized. These two, right? So the bandwidth you see here is for bandwidth, and this is for load balancer count. And I have fully utilized that one. So even I can't create one single load balancer. Perfect. So let me take you in the detail. So now when you go to detail, you will have a lot of rows to look and check those details. But if you look the summary, I think your purpose will be solved. But still, if you want to go in detail, you can go service by service, right? So if you can go service by service, let me see for block. Let me just remove all of them. Just select the one which is needed. So let me take storage, cloud cell, right? So let me go cloud cell, and let me go for, I think storage will be also good to give you details. I think it is little off. So let me just go to storage. Okay, so let me just type here storage, right? Let me just select block storage. Now you see, right? So here you have a storage perspective, and how many backup you can create, backup count, right? So this is all giving you the quota and the used one, right? So total storage, which I have shown you in the previous one in summary, and similar for all the details. Let me take you for some other services, possibly for cloud cell. So if you see my cloud cell, I have total 4 cloud cell user. So maximum 4 can use this cloud cell, but right now it is just 1. But 3 still they can use this cloud cell, right? And this is really very, very useful when you are performing any change or a big migration project in OCI tenancy, because ultimately your request should get successfully done, right? And until as you don't have a quota available, you cannot use any OCI services. So generally I run every quarterly in the tenancy to get the detail and then request support team to increase the quota if it is exceeded. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day ahead, and please like and subscribe my channel.